Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to discuss class 5 mathematics chapter factors and multiples, which is taken from the book Maths Carnival, and we are going to discuss its unit 3, which is HCF, highest common factor. Let's begin with the learning outcomes of this unit. At the end of this unit you will be able to define HCF and find HCF by using listing the factors, prime factorization and division methods. HCF. What is HCF? HCF stands for highest common factor. Means the common factor which is highest is called HCF. The largest or given factor common to any two or more given natural numbers is termed as HCF of given numbers. For example, here you can see two numbers are written 12 and 16, and if we find the factors of 12, so the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, and the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Their common factors are 1, 2 and 4. And what is the highest common factor among all these three factors? 4. So 4 is the greatest common factor or highest common factor. Methods for finding HCF. How can we find HCF? There are few methods we are going to use in this unit to find the HCF. Listing the factors method, prime factorization method and division method. We are going to discuss how to find HCF by using all these three methods. Let's begin finding HCF by listing the factors method. Here we have to find the HCF of two numbers 12 and 20. First of all, we'll find the factors of 12 and 20. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So what are the common factors here? Let's see. Common factors are 1 in both factors of 12 and 20. Then 2 is also a common factor. And 4 is also a common factor of 12 and 20. You can see here only 3 common factors are there, 1, 2 and 4. So common factors are 1, 2 and 4. So what is the highest common factor among all these 3 common factors? 4. So the HCF is 4. Now we are going to find HCF by using prime factorization method. Find the HCF of 20, 28 and 36 by using prime factorization method. How we will find it out? Let's check. In order to find the HCF of these numbers by using prime factorization method, we will find the factors of number 20, 28 and 36 first. Now we will find the prime factors of number 20. We will start dividing the number 20 with the smallest number. The smallest number is 2. 20 divided by 2 equals to 10. 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. Now 5 is not divisible by 2, so we'll use another number. 5 divided by 5 equals to 1. So the prime factors of 20 are 2, 2 and 5, which are also written here. Now we'll divide 28 with the smallest number. The smallest number is again 2 here. 28 divided by 2 equals to 14. 14 divided by 2 equals to 7. Now we'll divide 7 by another number, which is 7, which is equals to 1. So the prime factors of 28 are 2, 2 and 7. Now we'll find out the prime factors of number 36. 36, again we'll start dividing with the smallest number. 36 divided by 2 equals to 18. 18 divided by 2 equals to 9. 9 is an even odd number. It is not divisible by 2, so we'll divide it with the another smallest number. So another smaller number is 3. 9 divided by 3 is equals to 3 and 3 divided by 3 equals to 1. So the prime factors of 36 are 2, 2, 3 and 3, which are also written here. So after writing all the prime factors of 20, 28 and 36, we will find out the common factors. The common factor of 20, 28 and 36 are 2 and 2, which are occurring twice here. So we will multiply the common factor, and after multiplication the HCF of 20, 28 and 36 is 2 into 2, which is equals to 4. Now we are going to find HCF by long division method. How we will find it out? Let's check. Here we have to find the HCF of 30 and 42 by using long division method. This is an example of long division method. 30 is our divisor and 42 is the dividend. So divide 32 by 42. 31 is 30. We will subtract them. 2 minus 0, 2. 4 minus 3 equals to 1. Now the remainder is 12. The remainder will become our new divisor and the previous divisor will become our dividend. This is the method of finding the HCF by using long division method. That the remainder in the next step will become the new divisor and the previous divisor will become the new dividend. So we'll divide 12 and 30. 30 does not come in the table of 12, so 24 come, which is less than 30. So we'll read the table of 12 till 2. So 12 2s are 24. Now we will subtract them. We cannot subtract 4 from 0, so we'll borrow 1 from 3. It will become 2 and this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 4 equals to 6 and 2 minus 2 equals to 0. So the remainder is 6 here, which is became our new divisor, and the previous divisor, which was 12, it will become our new dividend. So we'll divide 12 by 6. 6 2s are 12. So after subtracting 12 from 12, the answer is 0. So the HCF, what is the HCF? The last divisor is the HCF. So right now the HCF here is 6. Can you find the answer? You have to find the HCF of 9 and 18. You can use any of the method to find the HCF of 9 and 18. Good luck and thank you.